Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you that how you can make your PDF file into a Word document. So let's begin. Okay, so see, this is my Word document with me. This is my PDF file open with me. Now let's open my Word so we can begin. Now let's open Microsoft Word. I have opened it. Now simple first technique, very simple is you have to minimize this word and then drag this scratch like any file you have PDF document, drag this PDF document in the blank document, and then the PDF file which you have will convert into a Word document. This is the first technique, first technique. Now the second technique is that it's a little long time. No, it's not a little long time, but the drag and drop is much easy and much it will take a less time. Now the second is open option. You have to go to browse, then you have to go to desktop, then you have to select your file which you have saved, right? So I have save it in the desktop, so I will go in desktop. Then you have to select the file, PDF file, and then click it OK, and then see this PDF file becomes into a Word document. These both techniques are very easy to do. It will take a less time, but it will make your Word document at the same moment. It will don't do anything because it is very easy, right? It is very easy, very good, and then you can edit this Word document according to your choice, and then you can save it in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.